This is to just show you how to find Practice Anatomy Lab. It's in another video, but I think it should be also included in this more abbreviated version in the lab. So it doesn't matter which section you're in. This is my synchronous 0304 section. You want to go to Mastering Anatomy and Physiology, or My Lab and Mastering. And then you want to open My Lab and Mastering. Then you are going to go to the study area right there. That's the study area. We won't let all this load because it takes too long. So I just clicked on study area. Then you have to launch the study area. It's in a separate web environment. I don't know why, it just is. So you launch it. And it looks like this. In the video that is on the home page, that long one that I told you to fast forward over parts of, I go over a lot of stuff, Physio EX and some of these other things, interactive physiology. Do play around with that. Right now I'm just showing you Practice Anatomy Lab, so go there. Then again you have to launch Practice Anatomy Lab. And because I'm recording this as part of the introduction to your first lab, right, to get some practice identifying all of the organs, you can just start with anatomical models and work your way through the systems. So, we're not doing skin and skeleton and all of that and muscular system, but you could say, hey, let's start with the digestive system. And then if you click on gallery here, it shows you these are all of the models that we have images from. Some of these might look familiar to you. So you can come back here, open that, and then just be like, oh, hey, what's that? That's the liver. Oh, hey, what's that? That's the stomach. You can turn the labels on. You can turn the labels off. And look, you can quiz yourself on all of this, or you could give yourself a practical, which as I understand it is the same questions as a quiz, there's just more of them. So that's how you find Practice Anatomy Lab. This, I think, would be a good way. Is it going to take me back to the models? Continue. Oh, I think I hit exit. Oh, no, I see. I'm supposed to hit exit. There we go. So again, you're in Practice Anatomy Labs. You want to be looking at the models and then just pick the systems that are listed on your lab guide, like digestive, urinary, respiratory, cardiovascular, and practice finding all of those organs on the torso model or other models, because there will most likely be pictures of a torso model or another model from our lab, and you'll be identifying these organs and stating what organ system they're in. As long as you're looking at this, the human cadaver you can look at. I don't really recommend it because we don't do human. But the histology is good. At some point we're going to be doing a lot of histology. So this is a good reference because we're going to be doing mitosis at one point. What are they calling that? That's a metaphase? I guess that's a metaphase. I don't know. These all look like prophase. Sorry, you can go through the different kinds of mitosis or other histology slides. Let me just close that out. Get back to histology. So those would be the two things that I would start with, because that's what we're going to be working on, is using anatomical models and histology to get us through this class. That's it. Under 5 minutes. Cool.